The passenger compartment of the Corolla remained stable in the frontal offset test. There was insufficient pressure in the driver's airbag to prevent the dummy's head from bottoming out the airbag and contacting the steering wheel through the airbag material. Although dummy readings did not indicate a hazard, the score was penalized and protection rated as adequate. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of the driver and passenger. Toyota showed that a similar level of protection would be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection of both dummies was good or adequate for all critical parts of the body. In both the side barrier test and the more severe side pole impact, protection of all critical body regions was good, and the Corolla scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. A geometric assessment of the rear seats also indicated good whiplash protection. The standard fit autonomous emergency braking system, part of Toyota's Safety Sense, performed well in tests of its functionality at the low speeds, typical of city driving, at which many whiplash injuries occur. In the frontal offset test, protection of the 6 and 10-year dummies was good or adequate for all critical body regions. In the side barrier test, maximum points were scored, with good protection of all critical body areas. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. Clear information is provided to the driver regarding the status of the airbag, and the system was rewarded. All of the restraint types for which the Corolla is designed could be properly installed and accommodated in the car. The protection offered to the head of a struck pedestrian was good or adequate over most of the bonnet surface, with some poor results only on the stiff windscreen pillars. Good protection was provided by the bumper to pedestrians' legs, with good results recorded at all test locations. Similarly, maximum points were scored for protection of the pelvis. The AEB system can detect vulnerable road users as well as other vehicles. It performed well in tests of its detection of both pedestrians and cyclists. The Corolla has a seatbelt reminder for the front and rear seats. The AEB system performed well in tests of its reaction to other vehicles at highway speeds. The Corolla uses a camera to determine the local speed limit. The driver can then choose to let the system automatically limit the speed of the vehicle accordingly. A lane support system helps to prevent inadvertent drifting out of lane but does not intervene in more critical situations, as the systems of some other vehicles do. Linky in the description. Cheers!